Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Bill Robertson from Bill Robertson Art. Absolutely awesome. There'll be a link in the description for his channel. Go check him out. He's absolutely fantastic, guys. After Bill, me obviously. After me, we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stick around and enjoy the ride. What I figured I'd do today is have a bit of a fun day and just mess around with a few things. So this here is my Wombat Wonder Pillow beach swipe. So at the end I'll show you how I did that. Alright, let's get started.
Night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood, it's in my blood. I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light. Moving through the past and the lies, whispers in the smoke from the fire. Got nowhere to turn this time. It's all around, it's all around. I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. Oh, I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light.
Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run from me, 'cause the monster is living inside. Oh, the monster is living inside. Oh, don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. It's been keeping you up at night, deciphering what's truth and lies. You can't run from me, you can't hide from me, you can't run as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't outrun the things in your head. You can't run from me. You can't hide from me. You can't run from me. 'Cause the monster is living inside. The monster is living inside. The monster is living inside.
Okie dokie, we'll do a flyover of that one. They turn out so cool. There's heaps of bling in it, and because I've used like an interference blue, that's where it looks white but it's actually blue. When you tilt this in the sun, it changes colours and does all sorts of crazy things. Super cool. Alright, so if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe, ring the notification bell, ding ding, that way you get to see all this crazy stuff as I release it. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, so click on the name and the title of this video, it'll take you to a channel. Click on the link that I put in the live chat, it will take you to her premiere for today, or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. It plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. You don't have to go hunting for links. That's the easy way. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.